Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this lumbar and back massager that this brand sent to me for this video, which you can see that right now it's connected to the electricity, it's connected to power, and it has a really long cable. I gotta say that it's a long cable, so don't worry about that. It's not gonna be a hassle or something like that. Also comes with a handle, so you can just take it with you on the go. Like if you wanna go on a road trip, don't use it while you're driving. Of course, you can't use this one when you're driving, but for the passenger or when you are going on a road trip and you're taking pauses or something like that, you can use this one, of course. I tried it right here today. I tried it this morning, and I gotta say, so number one, my chair is not a conventional chair, but for every like office chair or any couch, or like if you're going to bed or something like that, you want to put it like against the headboard or something like that, this could be really good. It comes with 3 modes. It comes with different intensities, and it also comes with heat. So that is really good for like a heat therapy. That would be really good. But also, most importantly, it comes with a remote controller, which is right here plugged to the actual device, that you can manage everything. You can do full back, upper back, lower back, and you can do heat, and you can do the intensity, and just lock it if you also want. But this thing, just put it on your chair. Let me show you. Okay, just like this. Check this out. You have the full remote over here. We're gonna turn it on. And right here, you have full back, lower back, or upper back, and also the intensity and the heat. So check this out. This is how it works. I'm gonna actually take it on a closer look. It goes up, 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 and then it goes down. That's the full back, but you can just set it up to the lower back area or just the upper back area right here with that remote control. And that's with the heat. Right now it's with the heat. That is why it's so red over there. But it's, as you can see, fully ergonomic. That's kind of like a really lower back area massage, and then goes up all the way, which I gotta say that this is really, really cool. Also, with the heat and being ergonomic and just being able to put it in the back of your chair, that's gonna be really good for when you're working, for example. This is really cool. It's super comfy. It has a really good range. It also has the heat. And of course, you can just like set it up anywhere you want. If you're talking about the car, it also comes with the car adapter over here. So you can take it, again, not while driving, but if you're a passenger, you can use it 110%. I'm gonna keep relaxing over here. I like it. I do recommend this one.